Hey, hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad babs on my everybody going. Propaganda, ganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle.
Yes. All right. It's a brand new week. We're back at it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, those fucker, you don't care about Avengers. Larry, have you watched it yet?
No.
You know why? You know how you can tell Larry hasn't watched it yet? Because he hasn't spoiled it for the rest of the universe.
What do you mean?
Because you're the #1 spoiler.
I'm not.
Larry watches it tonight. He live tweeted.
But I heard some sad things about the movie though.
Yeah,
I heard someone dies at the end. Apparently it's 3 hours long.
Yeah, no, it's a full 3 hours. The real 3 hours.
Wow.
I didn't go to the toilet. I didn't do anything, and I bought a large banter.
Oh,
Woo, boy!
You went to watch without me?
I was like, let's go. Let's save the universe. Let's save the universe. I gotta go to the toilet.
Anyway, guys, welcome to MicroWave, boys.
79! Yes, we did it!
Oh, almost 80, bro!
What?
Woo!
Whoa!
It's a significant number. 80 episodes.
Yes.
We need to do
We're
something
moving. Soon we're gonna be at 100. By the end of the year, we're there. Oh man, I can't wait, bro.
Yeah, new
Absolutely.
goal, guys.
I mean,
But you know, we've been in the pits via phones, and we actually brought a plea together 2 weeks ago.
In the pit.
Pittsburgh.
And
Whoa!
we asked nicely. We said, "Somebody out there."
Save us.
Somebody out there.
And our cries were heard. Our cries were heard. They came to our rescue, and they said some very special people are gonna come see us about this.
What's going on? Dude.
Our Spiderverse is tingling.
There's a thing on. There's a sensation.
There's a.
There's a sensation happening.
Okay.
Oh man. Okay.
Okay.
My spider. Okay, now no wonder they tingling.
Yes. Come here.
They
Come here.
tingling with cuteness as well.
Come here. Oh man. Oh man, come here. Come here.
Come here, boy.
What did you bring me, boy? Huh? What did you bring me?
Thank you so much.
Let me see.
Just want to give it.
What? Oh man.
Okay, shh.
Hey. Thank you. Give me a hug. Give him a kiss. Mwah.
High five.
It's
Oh,
for
go
you.
Spidey.
Yeah, it's for you.
High five, Jordy. Nice.
Thank you. What's in the
Wow,
bag? What's in the bag? What's in the bag?
You guys are the
Thank you.
best.
Uh-oh. Oh man.
It's like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Doesn't it feel like Christmas?
Guys, we have been in the
Doesn't
pits.
it feel like
And we have finally been
Christmas?
saved.
I'm not crying.
Catch a zoom on that, man. Catch a zoom on that. You see that bad boy?
I'm not crying.
Of course, the good people of Sony
Can I go cancel my
heard
contract?
our cries.
Oh,
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you guys so much. Can I wear this whole episode?
Who sent you guys?
oh.
Who sent you to give us the phone? That's the best answer
It's all happening
ever.
here. Oh man. It's a whole goodie bag.
Okay, so what is it? What is it?
It's a whole goodie bag.
It's a Sony
Oh my god.
Xperia 10, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye guys.
Thank
Bye.
you so much.
Mwah,
Oh,
mwah.
I have really saved the day.
Yeah. Whoa.
Now, okay, now we're gonna put these away.
Okay, yes.
boys.
Okay.
We're gonna proper play with them, and we're gonna give you guys all the links to go and see all the cool specs about the phone and what it has, and we'll be using it on the show in the coming weeks to let you guys know cool pictures you can take. But one of the best things about this phone, of course, is that it has a 29:9 aspect ratio, right? 21:9. There you go. I know these things. What's up, guys?
I'm not wasting time.
Ivo.
So basically, we're about to shoot a movie. I'm gonna reach through his phone away.
It's done, yeah.
Sukila, thank you so much to Sony.
Thank you guys. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Okay,
yeah.
yes.
I'll brag on Twitter. You know me, bro.
Hashtag
No,
experience.
I'm keeping this right next to me the whole episode. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. MicroWave Boys episode 78. 79.
79.
Paga,
Put it right there.
take it to the
Here
top.
it is.
Sony. Yeah.
Okay, so
What happened? What happened?
as
in
Zimbabwe plane leaves 4 hours early, passengers stranded in Johannesburg. Whoa!
What?
Whoa. How did the plane
Wait,
leave?
how did they know that it's leaving?
So, hey, Zimbabwe, always just doing whatever they want. What happened?
What
bro?
happened?
This guy's dying. Why are you dying like this? Tell us what happened.
So those guys were filling up. They said, no, this flight is due to leave at what time was it? At 6:55.
Yeah.
2:30. Somebody said, nope,
I'm going now.
I have to be there at 6:55. I have to be in Zimbabwe. I have to go right now. So I'm going to dip it down. So he pulled out. How you do? And people were chilling there saying, hey, so tonight's flight, they get to work.
Hey,
Honestly, because that's the sound the plane makes.
yeah.
They're like, yeah? Everyone saw the pilot going in. They say, hey, Mr. Pilot! You know, when the pilot says, welcome to Zimbabwe. People are like, yeah!
And it's super early.
You know, someone comes running with the check. Like, you know, people get to the airport
Guys are
early.
even allowed to board that early.
You know, get to the airport. I can tell people, you know, they find people like eating. Some of them are waiting in the queue.
Okay.
You know, so you just get there.
Get-
Zimbabwe! Z33 to Zimbabwe!
Like a taxi.
And then,
Like a taxi.
I was in the middle of ribs, eating them ribs. Before I go to Zim, eating them ribs because they don't taste as good in Zim.
Whoa.
Have a sip.
Whoa.
I'm just joking, Zim. You know I love you. Anyway, let's just skip over there.
I actually
And
can't
then the
believe
guy who said Z33, I don't know, that's us, man.
that's my flags. I mean,
No, man. And the pilot is saying, last call. Don't they make these announcements by the PA system? This guy's clapping, last call. You gotta get there.
now.
Change down.
Yeah, right.
Change down. On the run.
I've never heard of this in my life. I've never heard of
Nah,
this.
the guy said the time dips to the
I've
dip.
heard of delayed flights, but not like.
No, I 100% believe this.
Air Kenya is the one that will kill me. Air Kenya, they don't give too much fucks over there. You can have a 2-hour stopover in Kenya and it can last 10 hours.
I will.
They tell you, we're not going now.
Linda.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Or you can get there
No
today
explanation.
for a flight and then they say, you see the flight you came today, ne? Sharp, it's happening now tomorrow.
You know which is the worst?
What?
You know which is
Like,
the worst?
no,
flight?
I need you. Like, no, sharp.
Yeah.
I know, sharp. I can see a ticket.
Yeah.
I see it says 30
But we're not going.
April. You know, we're going from Kenya to Johannesburg.
If I'm home.
But we're gonna change that 13 to 1 of May.
Ah.
We'll say, enjoy Nairobi.
Yeah.
Enjoy the place. Enjoy what Nairobi has offered. Have you really explored the city?
No, don't talk about that city-to-city airline.
I hate him.
City
Plus,
Flight stuff.
Woo! Don't get
Yo.
me started with those niggas.
yo.
Do you remember when we were 2
They
minutes
say
late?
so check in like it's something yana.
Do you remember when we were 2 minutes late?
2 minutes late. They say,
2 minutes
nah.
late. 2 minutes for check-in.
For check-in. We were 2 minutes
they
late.
say,
So
nah.
we
We
got
got there.
there.
We got there when it was 38 minutes before the flight lands. They said you have to buy a new ticket. I said, what? Shamima, stop playing.
Whoa.
Shamima wasn't trying to hear it. I'll never forget her name. Her name was Shamima.
Yeah, I remember that. Actually.
No, it's Shamima. All right, talking about...
Where in the world is Zimbabwe?
No, it's close to Nigeria.
What? Zimbabwe. Oh no, I thought you'd slam dunk that. Why? Why would it be in Zimbabwe? Why would it be in Nigeria? Why would it be in West Africa? Now for real, where's Zimbabwe?
It's above South Africa. How much I know.
Yeah.
Man, you should have said that the first time, man. You really,
Oh, next
you
Nigeria.
should have said that the first time. Next Nigeria.
Where's Nigeria?
Woo!
No, I know it's Papu.
I literally just told you.
Okay.
All right, talk about Nigeria. Let's talk about another suspect that was found sleeping in his car.
Whoa!
Don't know. You guys do this all the time to me. So,
It's right there. That's right. So what happened is that this guy went to he went on his regular crime.
Yeah, spree. Crime.
It was a regular crime Tuesday.
Criminals.
As you do, you wake up on a Tuesday,
Yeah.
watapa, and then go about your crime day.
Yeah.
So regular crime day, there's some muggings, you know, collecting phones, letty phone. It's in Cape Town. It's
Put sec.
Bring your phone.
Why do they swear so many times?
Huh?
Whenever they rob you.
Yeah. Put sec.
Put sec.
Yeah. Some guy, I don't want to go rob the company. Said duly can. That's it. Really. Really. Tamsanga. Really.
No man.
It's on duly kanda. Really. And it was Easter.
Yeah.
I remember this past Easter. I was like, how come I was robbed on a beautiful Easter morning? Why?
that's up to Blikan.
I'm like, I just gave you the phone.
Yeah.
Just ask for the phone.
Come on, Tamsanga.
Wow. No need for all of that.
Did you have a name tag?
Yes. Yes.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, my name is Tam Sanga. I'm here to rob you.
Hi, welcome to today's robbery. As a dance robbery, please, please follow this link. I'm just gonna give you this card and just rate my robbery.
Was my swearing intense enough? Yes.
You think I should say so? No, I should open with do.
Next time.
No, some of those words kind of sounds like please. The other one says yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I'm using a deep voice, but more song sharp sharp. I don't know. This voice, people don't give me the phone time on them. So when I come take it, hey, put it, and then they just give me the phone. So anyway, homeboy here took a nap. After obviously crime is tiring.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Let your phone.
Of course, it's tiring.
Yeah.
So
Makes sense.
This
Makes
guy,
sense.
it was in the getaway car. It broke down, and
And then he took a nap.
yeah, that's
Took a
exactly what
nap in
happened.
the getaway car.
In the getaway car.
And the cop said,
"Hey, man, bro,
Tamsanga.
ah,
And you know, you wake up when you went to sleep by mistake.
Yeah.
this one."
And they're knocking with the gun that time.
Yeah.
Just show you what
Oh my goodness, that was hilarious.
So anyway, that's what happened to that guy. And I mean, super in jail.
Super wanted guy, but you know what else looks like a wanted list? Slam dunk.
I thought you were
The
thanking
Mr.
man.
No, I thought you were gonna slam dunk the Mr. South Africa page. So yeah, guys, a list of Mr. South Africa
enlarge
finalists
it.
came out. Oh
Let's
man!
start with Mr. South Africa. So, hey,
Oh.
first of all, I don't know who created this fucking sunrise looking poster.
Why are all their pictures different, bro? Like some are saying what's up, some are saying what's up.
It's different phones. It's not the Sony, definitely.
Definitely not the Sony.
Definitely not the Sony.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is a V250.
Yeah.
You remember
Ooh.
it? Yeah.
No, and that's a pose. It's at the.
Yeah, they're all posing.
Oh man, I don't know where to start.
It looks like mug shots.
Yeah.
Look at. Okay.
All these guys look wanted.
You see, second
and
row,
not,
right.
and not the way that Mr. Africa is
Bottom
supposed to be
second.
wanted.
The one that got
the one that looks like a blurry ass picture, bro. No
But
way.
also, I mean, we're gonna
Is this a real list?
put this is it. This is it. And I'll show you the front runner. But first, let's go to Miss South Africa. The last Miss South Africa pageant, of course. Let's look at the lineup of those ladies.
Oh.
Absolutely gorgeous. But somebody brought up a couple of interesting things. Like, must the Miss South Africa guys also wear makeup so that people can think they're pretty? I mean, I'm not saying the girls only look pretty because they're pretty, but I mean, if you wake her up in the morning, Toga, and she goes, hey! And then she's like, Kaka. If we use that picture,
That is different.
maybe it could be a little bit weird.
Yeah.
If it's your morning picture, maybe it's a little bit weird. But then, time you say, type me say, I don't care, baby. You say, yeah. That's what we're using for your Mr. Africa pageant entry. Let's see how far you get. Good luck getting in the top 20. The guy looked like he was busy with the cash register. Shop right. Someone said, change your shot. They said, hey! They said, Kaka. That's the picture I'm going to use.
What do you mean?
You could definitely be here.
Yes, because I look way better than all of them.
Yeah. You could, you know, you could rock it. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do it. Mr. South Africa. This is my Mr. South Africa. Look at this. This is South Africa's face.
Yeah. Zoom into it, yes. Show them sexy. Give them aggression.
That's not aggression.
Give them aggression.
Give them interesting.
interesting. Give them thinking.
Give them sexy.
Yes. Mr. South Africa.
This is Mr. South Africa.
Done.
Come
Thank
on.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, obviously there's a Makoti here. Standard Makoti. Husband is very happy to be married. He's looking forward to his forever, it would seem. Yes, Patacha forever. Forever and ever.
Yeah,
So
bro.
they'll do us part. That's that slide.
Yeah, we.
Yes, when man. Man.
Attack.
Yo,
Okay,
yo,
come
oh,
Makoti.
aye.
Come Makoti.
Aye.
Come Makoti. Come Makoti. Come Makoti.
Hey!
No.
No.
Cuts. Matas. Yeah. Hey.
Guys, guys, no. She got all Repsy, boy. She went all Repsy all of a Sunday.
He said, Fatih, let's take it to Taboo. Hey, Jimam! Hey!
No, guys, if my wife dances like this, I'm waiting.
No.
She gave me a kiss,
No.
bro.
That guy said he doesn't even want the kiss anymore. He said, I'm happy saying, head for sure.
Yeah.
That is by far. I didn't expect that from him.
I think this is
Let
our
him dance. That guy was chill. It was having a good time out
This
there.
is also our hero of the week.
Was it?
Surely.
What's that?
Sorry.
Okay, no.
No. I think it's so incredible.
I wish my future wife can dance.
No.
Yo.
You pet.
You and your ex used to dance like this, eh?
Which one?
You know that one.
Oh, that one.
You guys used to battle each other like this. Like, yo. Like, hey. And then,
Come on, Nagi.
I Makoti there. Ngare the lobola just cleared.
yo.
Daddy!
Yo.
Hey, Papa, wait, sir. Papa,
This
the
guy.
pussy. Hey, man. Hey.
What's wrong with you?
The lobola just cleared.
What is wrong
She
with
got that
this guy?
lobola. Yes, Netflix picks.
Yes, Netflix picks.
Netflix picks.
What are you? What are you currently watching now, bro?
I actually forgot. What did I almost forget when I sit here?
I just
Oh
realized-
wait, I watched. There's a series called. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's called Huge in France. It's about a comedian who's huge in France, and he decides to pack it all up because he actually has a kid in America whose life he's never been a part of. So he goes to America to go and be part of his kid's life, and he's trying to use the fact that he's a super famous guy in France, but nobody in America knows him. So he's trying to. That's pretty much that's the premise of the.
That sounds
Of
amazing.
the,
It's a documentary.
no, it's a series. It's a sitcom.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited about 2 shows that are coming up. Like that's the ones that I've been actually waiting for. Stranger Things season 3.
Yes.
Woo, bruh. If you guys have watched Stranger Things, if you
I
haven't
have,
watched
I
it,
have.
like you have watched
Yeah,
that,
I have.
it's insane.
I want to know how
And
they're
then-
gonna plot twist everything now.
I will always find a way. And 13 Reasons Why season
Yes.
3 is coming out.
Oh, is
so yeah, because remember the other day I spoke about 13 Reasons Why and that there's 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Now the 3rd season is coming out and this one's gonna get it.
They're actually making it. Actually, I haven't watched the second season. The first season it gripped me, but for some reason I just never wanted to watch the second
Now,
season.
second season.
I don't
is
know
also-
why.
Second season is hectic as well. It gets like it starts off slow and then it just says, whoa. You know what I mean?
All right, I will check it out. Let us know what you guys are watching.
Yeah,
We're gonna give you
actually-
guys recommendation. Use the hashtag Netflix picks and let us know what's good there that we haven't spoken about. And
At MicroWave Boys at Netflix SA.
Yeah, please. Whether it's on Instagram or on the Twitter, just let us know what you're doing. And when we'll talk about it, we'll give you a shout out. And we said, Tabi said we must go watch
And it was a good one.
Biasia. Today's hero of the week, before of course we go, is by the time you guys are watching this, we would have had our flying fish already.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll be giving you guys literally nothing about that.
Yeah.
Flying fish. Just except
It was
shout
great.
out.
It was great.
I'm sure we had an amazing
I'm sure
time.
we killed the live video, you know what I'm
sure.
saying? I'm
I'm
sure
sure.
you guys enjoyed it.
I'm sure it was a
Boom.
good time.
You know us, we rock it, you know, boom.
Bam.
This guy was on stage hosting.
Just play
And
that,
is
please.
on stage hosting.
I don't have a voice because
Can you
of-
not see that?
Boom.
Anyway, our hero of the week is this little lady or guy.
What?
I can't tell.
We just had Spider-Man, but this is like a Spider-Man, bro.
Oh, it
Right.
was
What?
walking on
Spider-Boy.
walls.
Yes. Okay.
Figure it out,
come
young
on.
man.
Okay.
Come on. You can do this.
Okay. Go back a step. Okay.
Okay, can you,
All right.
or step right. Step
There we
right.
go.
Oh no, but you won't reach.
Come.
Okay. Do
Uh-huh.
something.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, no.
No,
It's too low. It's too
no.
low.
All right.
Fighting spirit says don't give up. Don't give up, young gun.
Come on.
If you want it, you gotta get it.
Oh!
If you want it, you
There
gotta
we go.
get it. If you want it, you gotta get it.
My guy.
Come on. Mommy's like, keep going.
You know what's so crazy? He's not using any of those like.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's very irresponsible
right.
parenting.
Nah, this is top-notch parenting. Obviously, the parent is sitting right there, waiting for him if he falls.
Obviously.
Also, it's a little wall like this. Like, he's a child.
Looks pretty high to me.
Yeah, probably about as high as this wall.
He's there. He did it. Hey.
Come on, that's our hero of the week. Give it up for little Yaku.
Yeah, so in other words, you go
Or
get what
Yanai,
you
Yaku or
want
Yanai.
forever. No matter what the challenge is, you get
Yeah.
it.
That's right, man. Spark, I'm so inspired. I think I'm gonna go out there and get it, man.
This is gonna be the last time I'm using this. The last time I'm using this phone. Woo!
Yeah, don't even show what friend it is.
Oh yeah, also,
Yeah, man.
yeah.
But that being said,
Mina nasa velila